Hey guys, welcome back. iPhone SE 2020 is finally here and it is coming with a price tag of $400 for the base model. And there are so many bad things about this smartphone, and if you are planning to buy this smartphone, you should watch the whole video. Now, first of all, talking about the design, the smartphone is coming with very outdated design. Basically, Apple is selling iPhone 8 in 2020 with some changes. If you are an Android user and you want to upgrade from Android to Apple, and nowadays all the Android phones are coming with big displays and you are used to it, and all the mid-range Android smartphones nowadays are coming with so good displays and with no bezels at all. So if you are planning to buy iPhone SE, you are going to get a 4.7-inch LCD display with big bezels top and bottom, and this display is not that great if you compare it with iPhone XR or iPhone 11. The display is not that bright. You will face problems while using the smartphone outside. So this 4.7-inch display is not that good for movie watching, and if you love playing games like PUBG and other games, this is impossible to play such games on this small display. But still, you are getting Apple's latest and greatest A13 chipset. Smartphone is very snappy and fast, but due to the limitation of display, you are not going to push the boundaries of Apple's A13 chipset. But still, you will get 3 to 4 years of Apple support on this device. Now, moving to the camera section of the smartphone, at the front, you are getting the same iPhone 8 front-facing camera, which is a 7-megapixel front-facing camera. And guys, this is not same as iPhone 10 cameras. And at the back, you are getting a single 12-megapixel wide-angle lens. And this lens is same as iPhone 8 lens. It will perform good, but this is not a great lens. So don't expect that you will get the camera performance of iPhone 10R, because that phone is also getting a single camera setup at the back, which is a 12 megapixel sensor. But the reality is both the sensors are different. Now, moving to the battery section, we expect that the smartphone should last for a long time because the smartphone is coming with very tiny display and is coming with Apple's latest A13 chipset, which is very efficient and fast. But in iPhone SE, you are getting the same iPhone 8 battery, which was 1800 mAh battery, and you are not going to get good battery life in this smartphone. So this will last you for 4 to 5 hours in continuous usage. According to me, the battery is the most disappointing thing in this smartphone. If I'm going to buy this smartphone, I will buy this smartphone for just battery, because I want to use this smartphone for basic purposes and I expect a long battery life. The smartphone is coming with Apple's A13 chipset, which is very great, and you will get 4 to 5 years of Apple support, but you will not be able to push the limits of this chipset in this smartphone with this small display. According to me, in iPhone SE, you're getting most of the things you want from a smartphone, but everything is coming with its limitations if you consider display, camera section, battery. And now, if you are going to buy this smartphone, you should buy the 128GB variant or 256GB variant, and for that you need to pay $400 to $500. And I'm not going to recommend you this smartphone. If you are planning to buy this smartphone for $400 to $500, you should consider iPhone XR or iPhone 11, and you will be much more happy. Just spending some extra money will solve all of these problems. So that's it for now, guys. Share your thoughts in the comment section, and if you like the video, hit the like button, share this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I will see you tomorrow.